A whole home water filtration system in Raleigh, North Carolina and Wilmington, North Carolina, is it worth it? If you're thinking about installing a Maytag whole home water filtration system in Raleigh or Wilmington, North Carolina, this video could save you thousands of dollars and help you make the right decision. Today, we're installing a brand new Maytag whole home water filtration system right here in North Carolina, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, why homeowners are investing in whole home water filtration systems here in Raleigh and Wilmington, North Carolina, and whether it's actually worth the money. By the end of this video, you'll understand what these systems remove from your water, who should have one, and whether your home is a good candidate. Let's get started. One of the biggest misconceptions homeowners have is a refrigerator filter or a pitcher filter protects their home, and it doesn't. Whole home water filtration system filters the water before it reaches every faucet in your home, which would mean your kitchen sink, your bathroom, showers, washing machine, dishwasher, and even the outdoor spigots can all receive filtered water depending on the system that's installed for your home. Instead of filtering one faucet, you're filtering your entire home because hard water destroys the pipes from the inside, as well as your water heater, dishwasher, washing machine cost homeowners thousands in repairs and replacements. So do I actually need a water filtration system? The answer depends on your water. Every city is different, every well is different. Some homeowners deal with chlorine, others have sediment problems, some have hard water, some have iron, others are concerned about the PFAS contaminants that are in the water, and that's why we always recommend testing the water quality first. Instead of guessing, you should know exactly what's coming into your home before spending money on any treatment system. I left the link down below in the description where you can schedule your free water quality test today with Orca Blue. So why do homeowners install a whole home filtration system? A whole home water filtration system isn't just about drinking water. Homeowners tell us all the time that they want better tasting water, cleaner smelling water, less chlorine throughout the house, protection on their plumbing, cleaner showers, cleaner laundry, and better water for cooking. Your plumbing system uses thousands of gallons every single month. Filtering that water before it enters your home helps protect everything inside, because over time those hard rocks and minerals corrode the pipes, your dishwasher, washing machine, water heater, and make these appliances work harder essentially. Makes them break down faster, and then you're spending thousands of dollars on repairs and replacements when it's really actually cheaper to just invest in a whole home filtration system and dodge all those problems. Right now we're installing this Maytag whole home water filtration system, and the first thing we do is we shut down the home's water supply. Then we prepare the plumbing. We install a bypass valve so the system can be serviced in the future. Then we connect the filtration system into the home's main water line, which is right here. This is the main water line. Once everything is connected, we slowly pressurize the system, flush the filters, check every fitting for leaks, and verify everything is operating correctly before we leave. This ensures to the homeowners that they're getting clean, properly filtered water throughout their entire home. And Orca Blue always gets a permit. It's illegal to touch your main water line without a permit. Most companies don't get a permit, but Orca Blue, we always get a permit. If you're homeowners in Raleigh or Wilmington, North Carolina, and you're concerned about your water quality, a whole home water filtration system is definitely worth looking into. Whether you're on city water or well water, the first step is always getting your water quality tested. The right filtration system depends entirely on what's actually in your water, and that's why we never recommend a one-size-fits-all solution. Every system we do at Orca Blue is completely customizable to your wants and needs. If you've been wondering whether a whole home water filtration system is worth it, hopefully this installation gave you a better understanding of how these systems work and why so many homeowners are choosing Orca Blue to install them. Every home's water is different, and the best way to know what is in your family's water, it needs to get tested by the professionals at Orca Blue, which I left the link below for you to schedule your free water quality test today. If you're anywhere in the Raleigh area, Wake Forest, Wilmington, or across eastern North Carolina, Orca Blue offers complimentary water quality testing to help homeowners understand exactly what's in their water before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, because every week we're installing a new water treatment system, testing water across North Carolina, and answering questions for homeowners that ask us questions every single day. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and as always, work hard, play hard, drink soft water.